We had the privilege of staying in the Crescent Suite at the Raffles Doha during our visit to Qatar. You can watch a video of the wonderful hotel amenities at the Raffles Doha after this one. Our suite was on the 20th floor, Suite 2007 to be specific. As you step off the elevator onto the 20th floor, you feel the thick, rich, beautiful, luxurious dark carpeting. The walls in the foyer are white with gold lettering to indicate floor numbers and decorative fancy sconces providing soft lighting. Our suite and the neighboring one were guarded by an intricately designed black arched gate. As you enter the suite, you are greeted by a writing desk with 2 chairs in case you need to get some work done on your vacation. A beautiful chandelier sits above the desk. You're immediately struck by how high the ceilings are in this suite, close to 11 to 12 feet by my estimation. A large sliding door leads to the first balcony from where you have a direct view facing the other arm of this crescent-shaped hotel, which is actually another hotel called the Fairmont Hotel. You also get a view of the Doha skyline, the Lusail Marina, and the Persian Gulf in the horizon. The balcony is furnished with 2 chairs and a little end table. Back indoors to the living area, you have a cream leather couch flanked by 2 end tables, each with a table lamp on top. A coffee table sits on a beautiful area rug, all on crisp black tile flooring. We got a welcome plate of fruit and a wooden box with dates and chocolates, even though it took me a minute to realize that the box contained treats. Opposite the couch is a wall with a large flat-screen TV surrounded by rich, creamy leather upholstery. Then you have what at first glance looks like an intricately decorated wall, but is actually a walk-in private bar. 3 of the 4 walls are covered by mirrors, and there is a coffee machine and a kettle on either side of the sink with bottles of still and sparkling water provided. A selection of complimentary breakfast teas and some snacks are provided. Down low to the right of the sink, there's an empty wine fridge. No alcohol is provided. You have to buy that yourself. On the left is a second fridge with sodas and water, which are complimentary. Moving on to the bedroom, there's a second larger balcony with more seating, much similar to the first one. To the right is a closet with a lighted mirror, a makeup table and bench, and a little wristwatch and jewelry holder. A couple of robes and hangers are provided. Additional storage, a hairdryer, a safe, and some slippers are provided, with the drawers all upholstered in a rich brown leather, looking like Louis Vuitton luggage. Even the interior of the closet door was upholstered in cream leather. The bedroom itself features a large flat-screen TV, a reading chair with a lamp, and a scent dispenser which generates different scents to keep the suite smelling fresh. The bed is a king size with a nice creamy leathery headboard against an intricately patterned wall. There are 2 end tables with bedside lamps and an iPad which controls the lights and drapes and can be used to order food or make reservations for services. There is wireless charging on the side tables. There's a nice beautiful area rug around the bed and a bench at the foot of the bed. A pull-out drawer on the side table has additional charging outlets, and there is a reading lamp at the head of the bed on either side. Onto the bathroom, which is done in white marble with gold accents. You have a large freestanding tub framed by a large arched window. A small stool next to the tub has your bath supplies. Another tall, rectangular window showcases the ceiling height of this suite, which carries on into the bathroom. A large, uniquely shaped mirror overlies the vanity with clear double sinks and is framed by 2 sconce lights. The toilet is enclosed and has its own sliding door, an automated toilet seat, which opens when you walk in, and a bidet. There are wall controls that automatically squirts water to clean you up after using the toilet. The shower is also enclosed, decked out with gold accents, a giant rainfall shower head, and a handheld shower wand. There's a bench with additional water jets to give you a spa-like experience in the bathroom. This bathroom is a perfect retreat after a long day of exploring Doha. At night, the Doha skyline views from the balcony are stunning. So what's our verdict on the Crescent Suite at the Raffles Doha? It's a perfect retreat. From the impressively high ceilings and luxurious leather upholstery throughout, to the 2 outside balconies with fantastic views of the Lusail Marina and the Doha skyline, and the spa-like bathroom, you will not want to check out of this suite. We would definitely stay again and would recommend this hotel if you are in Qatar. As always, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and click that notification button so you don't miss upcoming videos.